Mr. Bezalel, what are you doing?
I'm just finishing building the tabernacle.
I like this tent. I want to camp in it.
Well, it's kind of like a tent. But it's called the tabernacle. God will dwell among us here. Can you say tabernacle?
The tabernacle. What's behind the curtain?
Oh, back there. This is called the Holy of Holies, and that's the Ark of the Covenant.
What's that gold box?
Inside the box is Aaron's rod right here, and then the Ten Commandments, and then a piece of manna. And then on top of it right here is called the mercy seat. Once a year, God will meet with the high priest here and on the Day of Atonement.
Once a year?
Only once a year. We shouldn't be back here, but we shouldn't be back here. So I have to finish building before Moses comes and checks, and Moses will come and check my progress. Bye, little Israelite.
Bye.